Welcome back everyone. As you can see that I am using Claude Code with Minimax M3 model. So let's type /model and you will see this model. Look at this is Minimax M3 and I am using it instead of Sonnet model. Sonnet app Anthropic is referring to Minimax M3. And don't miss this opportunity for all developers and students to enjoy Minimax M3 for free for limited time. So let's get started. Okay, this is provided by TokenRouter, which is same to OpenRouter and providing the AI models. So let's get started to enjoy using this Minimax M3 model. This Minimax M3 model is provided by TokenRouter. It is same to OpenRouter, which is a provider for AI models. Okay, all models are listed with them, but recently they posted that Minimax M3 is for free for limited time. As you can see here, the free pages are the right side. You can see that it is provided by them for free for a limited time. And at the top, you can see the notification also for Minimax M3. Look at Minimax M3 free for a limited time. So let's try it to use it inside Claude Code. So first of all, we will create an account inside TokenRouter. So let's press sign up and we will create our account inside this. So to create our account, I will just complete this step. So send code, it will send us a notification, a code. So let's verify it. So now it will send a code and we will verify it. So let's copy this code. So I have created my account. Now let's come here to the API. Okay, so come here to the profile and we will move to the create an API key. Let's close it. This is the dashboard. Come here to the API keys. So here we will create our own API key, then we will use that. So let's create an API key. Never expire a month or day. So here just define here a name. Router first 1 day and new quantity 1 code. That's it. Submit it. So we have created our API key. Now we can copy this API key. So to use this API key, these API keys are OpenAI compatible. So we cannot use it directly with Anthropic models. So for that, to use it inside Claude Code, we will use a third-party proxy. That is John.ai. So this is a third-party proxy where we can install it. This as a desktop version for Mac, Windows, and Linux for all operating system. As you can see, download it and install it. I have already installed it. Let's open this app, John app. So after opening this, now come here to the setting. After coming to the settings, so here we will just apply the settings. Here you can see Claude Code. It means to integrate it with Claude Code. But before this, we need to just configure our TokenRouter here. It has a list of provider, as you can see, Llama, OpenAI, Azure. These list of providers, but we can't see the TokenRouter. So for that, we will create a new one. So here just press this plus button. After pressing that, here just write token. We will just assign a name. That's it. Create it. So after creating it, it is the base URL, and here we will paste our API key. Let's copy those. So for the base URL, copy this and just come here to the paste this, and for API key, copy this API key. Copy it, paste that here. So after pasting that, that's it. Now we will add it. Let's refresh these models, the list of models. Model for TokenRouter. Yeah, that is internet connection issue. I will fix that. So I have solved the internet connection issue. Let's refresh it. As you can see now, it has updated the list of models. That's it. Come here back to the Claude Code, and instead of Sonnet, now we will use Minimax M3. Let's search for Minimax. Okay, look at the provider, TokenRouter, this provider, and Minimax M3. As you can see at the top, Minimax M3. Save and enable. So let's save and enable it. So now it is starting the server. You will see this notification environment variable updated. Please try relaunching Claude Code in a new terminal. That's it. So here you can see the server local API server. The server is in running mode. So let's minimize it and we will move to the open Claude Code now. So we have these three files inside this folder. Let's open it. What is this? This is just a 3D landing page. Yeah, that's okay. So now we will edit it using Minimax M3 through Claude Code. So simply just come here, back to this empty folder. In this folder, right click and open this inside the terminal. After opening this, now let's write Claude. It will open the interface of Claude for us, the CLI of Claude Code. So it says, yes, I trust the folder. Yeah, as you can see now the Claude Code, let's increase the size. And here right now Anthropic NVIDIA name. So let's update back. Still we have the my last configuration for Claude Code. So I will update it. C drive, users, username, and commit to the .claude folder. There we can, yeah, this is .claude folder and open setting.json file. So model, as you can see model, so let's remove this model, save it, save this, okay, this file. After saving this, close it and let's try it once again. Escape, double C, Claude. So right now it is repairing to Oppo 4.8/model. Enter it. You can see Minimax M3 model. Okay, custom Sonnet. So let's select this one. So after selecting this one, now simply let's ask from this for the first time. Hi, which model is this? Press enter. Yeah, this is Minimax M3 developed by Minimax. It is a global AI foundation model. So let's go back once to the John.ai. I will show you something inside John.ai. Come here to the local API server. You can see this is your base URL. As you can see, look at 127.13.37 is the port number, version 1. Okay, it is running on this URL. Whenever you are running Claude Code, so just simply write status and check that it is okay. Yeah, 127 localhost and 1337 is the port number. If it was repairing, the base URL was something else, so then change that inside edit environment variable or move to the setting.json file and edit there. It was all about this. So it is how we can use Claude Code with Minimax M3 free for limited time by TokenRouter. So if the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any issue or any error or bug. So subscribe to our YouTube channel also for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.